Iron Age and Urban Revolution in India. General characteristics distribution people. UGC NET Anthropology. Welcome to NET Academy. A study aligned with UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, NET Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 10,000 subscribers. NET Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 10,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 10K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. NET Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Introduction. The Iron Age marks the period when iron became the dominant metal for making tools and weapons. Time period: c. 1200 to 600 BCE, regional variations. Early historic urban revolution, c. 600 to 300 BCE. Importance: expansion of agriculture, growth of towns and cities, rise of kingdoms, Mahajanapadas, development of trade and crafts, beginning of the second urbanization in the Gangetic Plain. General characteristics: technology, widespread use of iron tools, iron plowshares, iron axes and sickles, iron weapons, agriculture, forest clearance, expansion of cultivation, increased food production, economy, agriculture, craft specialization, trade and commerce, use of punch-marked coins, later phase, society, permanent settlements, social stratification, occupational specialization, urban revolution, second urbanization. Meaning: the second urbanization refers to the emergence of towns and cities in the Middle Gangetic Plain after the decline of the Indus civilization. Features: growth of cities, development of markets, rise of trade guilds, use of iron technology, state formation, taxation system, distribution of Iron Age culture. Northern India, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Punjab. Central India, Madhya Pradesh, Eastern India, Odisha, West Bengal, Southern India, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Important Iron Age sites: Hastinapur, Atranjikra, Ahikshetra, Kaushambi, Rajgir, Pataliputra, Brahmagiri, Maski. Pottery of the Iron Age. Painted grey ware, PGW. Period: 1200 to 600 BCE. Associated with later Vedic culture. Kuru Panchula region. Northern black polished ware, NBPW. Period: 700 to 200 BCE. Associated with Mahajanapadas. Mauryan Empire. People of the Iron Age. Occupations: farmers, blacksmiths, potters, traders, soldiers, artisans. Crops: rice, wheat, barley, millets. Pulses: animals, cow, buffalo, horse, goat, sheep. Economy: agriculture. Iron plowshares increased productivity. Trade: internal trade, long-distance trade. Crafts: ironworking, pottery, textiles, jewelry. Coins: punch-marked coins. Political development. The Iron Age witnessed rise of the 16 Mahajanapadas, growth of Magadha, beginning of large territorial states. Important Mahajanapadas: Magadha, Kosala, Vats, Avanti. Religion. Major religious developments. Later Vedic religion. Rise of Buddhism. Rise of Jainism. These religions flourished in urban centers. Comparison table. Feature: bronze, copper, age Iron Age. Metal: copper/bronze iron. Economy: agriculture, intensive agriculture plus trade. Settlements: villages, towns and cities. Pottery: black and red ware, PGW and NBPW. Political system: village communities, Mahajanapadas. Conclusion. The Iron Age transformed Indian society through iron technology, agricultural expansion, growth of trade, emergence of cities, rise of states, beginning of the second urbanization. UGC NET Quick Revision. Topic: remember. Iron Age c. 1200 to 600 BCE, regional variation. Urban Revolution, second urbanization. Pottery, PGW, rightward arrow, NBPW. Major state: Magadha. Important urban centers: Kaushambi, Rajgir, Pataliputra. Economy: agriculture plus trade. Technology: iron tools and weapons. UGC NET one-liners. Iron Age began around 1200 BCE, regional variation. Iron technology helped clear forests. The second urbanization developed mainly in the Middle Gangetic Plain. PGW is associated with the later Vedic period. NBPW is associated with the Mahajanapadas and Mauryan period. Magadha became the most powerful Mahajanapada. Iron technology boosted agriculture and trade. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.